Hello friends. Are you ready to learn and practice simple questions? Please remember, have fun while learning. Hello everybody. Welcome to a lesson about simple questions in English. Look, listen and repeat.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Miguel.
What's your last name? What's your last name?
My last name is Peguero.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I am from Dominican Republic.
What's your nationality? What's your nationality?
My nationality is I am Dominican.
What's your occupation? What's your occupation?
My occupation is I am a student.
How old are you? How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
What's your neighborhood? What's your neighborhood?
My neighborhood is Gasquay.
What's your address? What's your address?
My address is 20 Duarte Street.
What's your telephone number? What's your telephone number?
My telephone number is 987-654-3210.
Who are your parents? Who are your parents?
My parents are Dominican. My mother is Carmen. My father is Rafael. Goodbye.
See you later.